Huh. What is it? I think it's a nest.
Look at the eggs.
How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eggs.
7 new bird friends. I can't wait.
Davy, where's their mother?
Oh. I don't know.
Look.
Hello!
Huh? You're not a bird. You're a snake.
Yes, snakes lay eggs too. Where am I? You're in the jungle. It's a great place. We live here too. I'm hungry. Me too. Hatching is hard work. Let's look for food.
Can't your mother bring you food?
No, we're on our own now. Our mother isn't coming back. Let's go. Goodbye. Goodbye. It's nice to meet you. Maybe I'll see you in the jungle sometime. Goodbye.
Goodbye.